So this is a kryptonite round body American 700 clone. It's a pretty cool lock. It's got the fancy keys. That's the bitting on it. As far as I can tell, it's got spools in it. It doesn't really feel like serrated, but it's not a terrible lock, not a great lock. So to try to get into it, Law Locks Tools 47 thousandths, number 5 from the Reaper set. So there's nothing on 1, 2, click out of 3, nothing on 4, nothing on 5, maybe click out of 6, 1, and it goes into like a little false set, 3, 4, 5. It's not a, super difficult lock to pick or anything like that, but it is real touchy about oversetting them. And even on those high lift pins, I'm not lifting them as high as you would think, but I'm all around, it's at least cool.